Hello Mzansi, today we're going to talk about Buzzy B, Londie London and Gogo Maweni. So Buzzy B is an Instagram blogger. She did her research based on Londie London and posted her story. What I liked about the comments is how Gogo Maweni responded. So let us just read the caption. I waited to see if anyone would drop this January 2023 but looks like I have to do it for y'all. Londie London is back to being a pedestrian after her baby daddy Hlubin Kosi took his BMW X6 back after Londie rebuked the conditions of having the car in her hands. Hlubi gave her the car as a guardian or stay with parent of their children so that the kids do not get inconvenienced, and Londie was strictly told that the car should only serve the interest of the kids and not for her to go around gallivanting or partying in Johannesburg. Miss Londie thought Hlubi was joking. In January 2023, she attended a party at the Haunton Hotel. When she and her friends were ready to leave at night, they discovered that the car is no longer there at the parking. Londie was left with jaw-dropping in disbelief that Hlubi really meant what he said. My source further claims that Miss Londie refused to confront Hlubi and will not ask him to bring back the car back. We also remember the heartfelt moment on the Real Housewives of Durban Season 3 when she opened up about her situation, sharing with her friends on how she basically is a single parent in this and that Hlubi isn't present. So this is what Gogo Maweni had to say. I know it's gossip and people like that, but it hurts to see such things. This too shall pass. Love. Her ancestors and God are strong and will protect her as well as her guide. This woman on woman hate needs to stop. People need to be worried about their own lives while they are rejoicing in her misery. They must remember life is a circle. We do not know what tomorrow holds. It might be them in the same situation. So that's it about Londie London. We all know what is happening in her life. She broke up with her baby daddy. We saw how she was busy flaunting and flashing her lavish lifestyle on Instagram, as well as the Real Housewives of Durban Season 2. Some are saying that it's comeback, some are saying it's karma, some are saying that she was dating DJ somebody. So it's a lot, Mzansi, but that does not mean that you should kick a dog while it's down. I mean, like, we can all see that she's trying to redeem herself, and some were even saying that she's back at home with her kids, she's driving a test, and then she posted this. Polygamy, tests, paternity, what in the fake news is this? You can lie or say whatever you want about me, but not my kids. So this test is allegedly to be known as Londie London's car that she's driving back at home in Mpumalanga, and that is her home. So I don't know, because what she portrays on the gram is a different story. Anyway, Mzansi, that's it about Londie London, Buzzy B, and Gogo Maweni. I just loved her comment, so I thought that I should just come here and share with you guys. Till I see you again, please do not forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel.